in this question, say you are a registered nurse, Jasmine Thomas discharged, right total knee surgery, and who needs assistance in home nursing service. You are supposed to read like this, not like everything you won't be getting time to read. Learn how to read like this rather than reading the entire sentence. Skim and scan. Now come moving on, patient address. Patient name is important for RE and age is important for RE. This is important for only for RE regarding, otherwise leave it. Now we don't know, now in this question particularly we know that this is a patient related to right total shoulder replacement. In that case you can okay, right total shoulder replacement, keep that in your mind and understand this is a right total knees shoulder replacement. In that case keep on moving, otherwise you will get the same information either from the diagnosis along with your treatment. Moving on, now we will be reading the question. Okay, this is the question, letter of referral. So here in this question particularly, it will be like informing her of the patient situation and requesting appropriate care. In this case only, if they are asking particular some points, understand this you are supposed to include. Otherwise, if you are not including this point, your task achievement won't be completing. This is a small mistake, careless mistake people do often. So I request read carefully. Okay, and now we will be moving on to the discharge plan. So discharge plan, when you are reading the discharge plan, education, if you know one point about education, you can write how we will change this right arm sling. So sling will be there every time. How we can change? If you have a sentence, good. No lifting, this is already mentioned in several letters. Physiotherapy point is mentioned in several letters. Okay, these are the common points. And orthopedic joint, okay, staples removed 10 days after staples removed. How you are supposed to write that? Outpatient, again common point. Now see this sentence, by calling hospital you can means this sentence you also can use for the speaking session. How you can change the one sentence which you are going to learn into speaking section. Okay, so now referral to in-home nursing service, assist with showering, administration of any drugs for 4 days. Okay, like that. So this is how you are supposed to do, read. So what happens now, we read the discharge plan. Now we will be going and reading the social background. In that case, see, so how we can identify okay, how we can identify the social background, whether they are important or not. Either keep in mind what is the patient's diagnosis and also read the discharge plan, and if there is a one point or any other point related to that, come and check here over the social background whether that particular point has been mentioned or not. In that case you can go for this. Okay, that's about the social background, and this is a right total knee surgery shoulder placement. I want all of you to unmute the video because I don't want any disturbance in the class. Later after this discussion I will be explaining you, clarifying your doubts. So that is about the social background. Now comes the medical history. Medical history is important. If understand, this is a shoulder case, shoulder replacements. So, and this patient has visited us when, you can check the date, discharge date, treatment record is 17th, okay, 2017 is the date, and this treatment is in the 1997. It's related to bond, but it's so long ago, so you just have to avoid that. And you have to just keep this point, and you can just take osteoarthritis, because from the diagnosis we come to know that this is a osteoarthritis patient. There is the diagnosis here, osteoarthritis is written. Suppose in the initial sentence, in the first sentence, if they are not mentioning what the treatment is, then you are supposed to go and read the diagnosis along with your treatment record. Sometimes it's written medical treatment record, usually it will be treatment. So come and here and learn this, understand the disease, and then keep and read medical history. Also osteoarthritis is important, which has not responded to any normal treatment, conservative treatment. Now, so how we are supposed to make that to a sentence? See, when you get a sentence like this, if it's common, learn how. Now itself you have to think in your mind how you can change that to a sentence. If you are not getting how you can change that to a sentence, listen to the class when I will be discussing the answer with you. Now come movement. Chronic right shoulder pain is the pain related case this is, and they have ability to carry out. There is a difficulty to perform daily activities. So ability to carry out, how we can change? Perform daily activities, activities of daily living, daily activities, carry out, perform. Like that you are supposed to write everything. Whenever you are getting something like this, just understand there should be a ready-made sentence, how you should change that to a better sentence. I know you will be writing, but is that a better sentence what the OET examiners are expecting for? That's the question. So, and the medication, when it comes to medication, so this drugs name, you don't have to mention all drugs, select few, otherwise skip. Mostly you can skip all this 50 milligram daily. In the official website they have accepted that 50 milligram, all these things you can write, no problem with that. If you have so many relevant point, then you can, these are additional point. 14 days, okay, 14 days, fortnight, that is 2 weeks, fortnights, that is the vocabulary which you could use for. Milligram, hourly, PR and dot, if you don't write dot 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 like this, then just avoid it, this PR and OD and all, because examiners are not from the medical background. So now come moving on, medical progress. Okay, in this medical progress, it's post-operative. See, whatever related to right shoulder is important. Right shoulder, post-operative right shoulder, X-ray we took, X-ray is got confirmed. Now exercise they have to do, but the patient is not satisfied. Complaint with physiotherapy. If the patient is complaint with the physiotherapy, how you can change that to a sentence? Now whatever related to within normal range, you don't have to write. Suppose if you feel like, okay, I need to write within normal limit, how you are supposed to write? Within range, that is how you can change. Okay, now, and post-operative management. See this cold compress, application of ice is a common point. So why? Because any surgery need this cold compress, right? It will, if we are doing any treatment, there will be definitely swelling will be there. In that case, we are supposed to do cold compress. 1 point will be there. So right shoulder wound, clean and dry, how you are supposed to write that? So don't think everything how I will change this 1.2 sentence at the time of examination. If you are practicing like this, you know by the time you will be saving time, rather than rubbing and keeping on writing and rewriting, it's waste of time. Now comes discharge. Now today is the discharge, 15/7/17, plan for discharge home with daughter. Sometimes most happen is that some assistance from someone will accompany them. It could be some relatives. So how we can frame a sentence like that? We have to keep in mind nursing management. You are a nurse, everything related to nursing management could be important. But suppose if everything is normal, why you are writing that normal? We are looking for abnormal points, and this letter we are writing to nurse only. See, a home nurse, so they don't want anything normal. We are looking for abnormality over here. Okay, then neurovascular observation. This is related to bone. Neurovascular, I don't think that is related to bone. Now oral analgesia, wound care, okay, is important. There will be some wound related to operation. Cold compress, see in this letter itself particularly 3 times cold compress will be repeating. ADL assistant, this assistant sentence will be same only. Physiotherapy management. Now come physiotherapy management. So exercise as per TCR protocol. Neck range. Neck is related to shoulder? No, so avoid it. Elbow and hand, yes, it's related to hand. Shoulder, it's related to hand. You can select these 2 points. Cryocrough, that is again cold compress. 3 times it's repeated in the same letter. You have to write that. Discharge education, only this, how you will be changing that one sentence. Physiotherapy outpatient, common point. Community hydrotherapy, not so common point, not so important. Okay, and this is all about your question and the related to discharge plan. Okay, I will be explaining this. First you are supposed to ideally read the discharge plan, then you have to go and read the social background. Like this I haven't taught you. Education point is important, how we will change to sling is important. Now no weightlifting, I have already taught you some few letters with no lifting, how you are supposed to write that. Physiotherapy outpatient is common. Then 10 days post operative staples removal, okay, how we will change that. Let's see how we can change. Outpatient department, okay, this is a common point. Monday to Friday, this is weekdays, they are supposed to. Monday to Friday, that is weekdays. Okay, we can write weekdays rather than writing Monday to Friday, or for 5 days you can visit. Weekdays and weekends. So like this you are supposed to understand the question first. Then assistance is needed, showering is needed. Okay, all these points are there. Now we are directly moving on to the letter. So by now you know that you don't have to write any comma over here. Date can be right on the top or in the middle. RA means regarding Mrs. Jasmine Thompson, comma, date of birth. If you are writing DOB like this, you just don't have to convert if you don't know the exact age of them, like 66 years or them. You don't have to calculate all those things if they haven't mentioned directly. Then DOB is better rather than just rewriting or thinking what is the patient's exact age. Now this is like a fill in the blanks. So first paragraph, you when you are reading, you can understand that you can learn like a fill in the blanks. So every time there will be definitely a common pattern. So thank you for accepting any patient name into your care. She underwent a successful, see adjective, successful. Any operation, most of the operation will be successful. In that case, successful is a good term. You can use total shoulder replacement on date. See, either you can write following long history of osteoarthritis, or on date after a long history. In our letter, what happened is that when we read, there is a long list of dates. Sometimes I had prepared a YouTube video. In that I already sent you, I guess. If you didn't receive, I will be sending you again. So in that it will be already showing. Sometimes there will be a long history, how you are supposed to write. You don't have to make worry regarding when you get a question like that. One sentence like this, long history of osteoarthritis. Okay, that is enough. Adding one long history, you can combine all the long history, all dates to two words. Long history of osteoarthritis. Which affected, which, I want this sentence when you sentence structures with which means complex sentence. So complex sentence you are making. Which affected her ability to perform. See, her daily activities, it was different. Ability to perform, it was different in the question. Daily activities, let's see what it was written. Okay. See, ability to carry out, so that we change to ability to perform. Okay, ability to perform her daily activities. Perform exercise, 1 point will be the exercise, to do exercise or perform exercise. So perform is a good word. So perform daily activities. So in the question it was given activities of daily life. That we change here to daily activities. That of we reduced. She will be discharged today. One sentence you already know by now. With her daughter who, see, which, who, good vocabularies. Who will live with Mrs. Thompson for a period of 1 month. Otherwise what you can write? A month. Okay, period. What happens in the reading? In the question it was like particular time, like at 10 a.m. or 10 to in mid afternoon or something like that, and you will be searching for the same vocabulary in the reading passage. There won't be any vocabulary like that. The vocabulary will be period, which shows the time. Okay, period of 1 month. Nevertheless, see, I yesterday also I taught you nevertheless means however. So in spite of, when I asked you, one of you, then you told the spelling wrong. In spite of, this is the right way of writing. The space, if you are not writing properly, your answer spelling mistake is the nevertheless. She will require your assistance. Still she require your assistance. Okay, because daughter will be helping her, still she needs your further assistance. Okay, now moving on. So if you are doubtful with in spite of spelling, go for however or nevertheless rather than selecting doubtful words. Mrs. Thompson currently takes, how you can rewrite this? Currently, comma, that is enough. Mrs. Thompson currently takes, S is there, continuous tense. In this tense, I will be explained, just show you the grammar. Which, who, good, complex sentence. Okay, will, see, will is that is future tense. So in your care there is also some past tense also, affected past tense. So it will be, everything is discussed in this one paragraph. Now moving on to the second paragraph. Currently takes, S is there, continuous tense. Pantomime forte, see, have you noticed pantomime forte, they will be writing with capital letters. Pantomime forte, as required, as per the requirement or as required. Ed is there. Okay, for pain relief. I am stressing on some particular area because that is the area students make mistake. For pain relief and any disease, I don't know what is this. Her wound and drain site, two things, wound and drain site remain clean and dry. There is one point, wound clean and dry. How you are supposed to see, one extra word, site remain, clean and dry, remain. Okay, and she has been very compliant with her physiotherapy regimen. If suppose some cases there will be, they won't be happy, or she has been very compliant, she is not satisfied, she is dissatisfied with the treatment, she is dissatisfied with the physiotherapy regimen, like that also you can modify regimen. And has, why has we have used have instead of have? Why we used has? Because Mrs. Thompson has, that's the reason. Otherwise if you're writing have over here, that is wrong. So Mrs. Thompson has, she has, he has. Okay, mostly you have to use has only, you don't have to focus on have much in the OET letter. Has received post-operative, there is a hyphen over here. Meaning of the hyphen is that post-operative is a single word. Post-operative education, follow-up education, regarding, in relation to, that only regarding, ing. Care after her surgery, after her surgery. Again I will be reading this. Mrs. Thompson currently takes pantomime forte as required for pain relief and any disease. Her wound and drain site remain clean and dry. She has been very compliant of, it's not of, she has been very compliant with her physiotherapy. It's not she has been very compliant of her physiotherapy, she has been very compliant with her physiotherapy regimen and has received post-operative education regarding care after her surgery. Now see, continuous tense, currently is a good vocabulary. Other than, what is the synonym for currently? I am repeating the same point so that You will be when you are writing, you should know that point. Currently synonym is presently, comma. Mrs. Thompson currently, comma. As required is a good word. Remain clean and dry. If you know this remain, you can make the sentence. Very complained with her physiotherapy regimen. Has received post-operative education regarding care after her surgery. Now comes, this is the same thing I have explained the meaning of regimen. I have explained over here. Mrs. Thompson has been instructed. What are the other synonyms? See, has been. I want some sentence to be written in has been. Okay, when you are writing the instructed, you can remember when I can make a sentence with instructed. I already know that. Then why can't I go for has been instructed, right? Mrs. Thompson has been instructed. What is the other vocabulary? Recommended, suggested, advised. Same vocabulary I have given in the bracket. To refrain from, to stop from. So how we are weightlifting, one point will be definitely the any lifting. No lifting will be written in the case not. How to change that to sentence? To refrain from any lifting. No lifting, any lifting. Duration 4 weeks. For while, see at the same time, while, this is a good vocabulary, while. Okay, while. Okay, while her arms remains in a sling. It's one sling, a sling. She has problem with only right arm, that's why a sling has been written. Please note the a and the, all this preposition when you are reading extra materials which you already have. She is required to participate in physiotherapy twice per week. Twice, thrice per week or twice per week, common sentence. And hydrotherapy at, not in the outpatient, at the outpatient clinic. She also has a follow-up appointment on 10-day 10. Otherwise, how you can write on 10th day? She also has a follow-up appointment on day 10 or 10th day. TH on 10th. That is important. If you are missing that TH, it will be wrong. After her operation at the orthopedic joint replacement outpatient department at were, see the usage of were she wills, she have her staples removed. This is a future tense. They have used will, they have used were, they have used has been, they have used for correct the preposition on day 10, all these points at outpatient, at hospital, at our hospital. See, they have used which, who, were in the same letter. 3 complex sentence which we know, which we, if you practice, we will be getting 3 complex sentence itself they have used over here. Now come moving on. Again I have to refrain. To refrain someone from drinking. Please refrain from smoking. To refrain, stop oneself from doing something. This is the meaning I have explained. Refrain, one word. Refrain from smoking, refrain from alcohol, refrain from anything. Stop anyone. Refrain from having outside food. Now next paragraph is, please assist Mrs. Thompson. Assist or assistance. Please assist. Here is assist, not assistance. Please assist, it's an instruction. Mrs. Thompson with, it's with showering. Last time I have taught you different ways of writing one sentence, showering, assistance. Go for that sentence if that is comfortable for you. And administration of dash drugs. When you are writing drugs name and illness, how you can combine? Dash means drug name, for dash illness. Okay. Administration of Clexaxane drug name for 4 days or for any illness, any illness. Okay. To help prevent DVT. Okay. For any concerns, like this also you can end your speaking section. For any concerns, please contact either. See the usage of either. Either myself, not either me. either myself, you can contact me or anyone else. Either myself, see, either you won't be using much. If you don't know how to use, just avoid it. It's otherwise you can learn this sentence. Please contact either myself or the unit by calling the hospital. By calling the hospital. Okay. Yours sincerely, registered nurse. Okay, give me a second.